Hi, friends. It's Sheryl from Tutoring with Sheryl and the Tech Coach for Tutors. And I am gearing up for the next training that I am hosting for the Tech Hub for Tutors. And I am opening it up to the public. I am very excited about this. This is something that I really wish I would have been thinking about 2 years ago when I started out my journey as a private educator, thinking about how was I going to share my message with others about tutoring with Sheryl, because I, can tell people about it, but if they're looking for me and trying to find me, I need to have like a one-stop shop, right? And as an educator, and even as any small business owner can tell you that sometimes you just don't have the extra money to do what you want to do. Therefore, this led me to coming up with my current training on Google Sites, because Google Sites can be used for free. So I am inviting you to join me on Thursday, February 6th, 2025, 7 p.m. Central, for a live workshop on using Google Sites. Now, I have to tell you my history with websites. When I started, I jumped on board the WordPress train. Now, the WordPress is an amazing tool to use, but it's very challenging. And I had to take some courses to just kind of figure it out. And my daughter was extremely helpful because she knows how to use WordPress, but I never really felt comfortable using it. And then as a tutor, most recently, I've been using the TutorBird website, which is fine, but I'm very limited on what I can do with my TutorBird website. As I was researching all of this and thinking back to when I was using Google Sites for classroom website for my class, I thought, why am I not doing this? So I hopped into it and I found that there's a bunch of updates. And so my training is going to be taking you through the basics of why you need to have a website, how you can get that to do some talking with a Google business page, and how you can make it SEO friendly. And then I'm going to show you an example of one that I'm currently creating. I might have two done by then. One is actually, I'm going to make one for our church. And then I'm going to show you how you can embed forms and links and videos to make it really interactive for people when they come to visit you. It can literally become your hub. But here's the other thing. You can use Google Sites for student work, for student portfolios, or for shared learning experiences. So it's probably an utilized application inside of your Google Workspace, but I'm really inviting you to come to this training. Outside of the training, or what does the training involve? Excuse me. It's approximately an hour of training, and then you get 30 days of the recorded material, the video, and then you get lifetime access to the training slides. So I invite you to join me Thursday, February 6th, 7 p.m. for the live training. You will get all of the information, even if you cannot attend that day. I will include the link in the description. I hope to see you there.